Hello, thanks a lot for stopping by How to Cook Great. Now if you like what you see, there's over 3,000 other cooking videos on our channel. Give us a thumbs up, leave a comment and I'll try and get back to you. Okay, let's get on with this one. Hello, how you doing? Going to make a kind of all-in-one breakfast here. We've got sausages, onions, mushrooms, bell peppers, baked beans, tomatoes. As you can see, I've got some fried eggs on the top, serving that with some toast. And we've got some lovely little spices in there. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, so let's get moving on this. So I've got 1 can of tomatoes, like a 400 ml can of baked beans. I'm using Heinz again. I think they're 400, 415, same size can. Roughly equal parts of potatoes. I've peeled them, cut them nice and small. 1 cup of bell peppers, 1 cup of onion, just over a cup of mushrooms. And then here I've got my sausage. I'm using a turkey sausage. Now you can use any type of sausage you want, like a hot dog, a frankfurt, or whatever you want really. So I've got about 3 cups there. I've got about 3 or 4 cloves of garlic and then a teaspoon each of paprika, chili, oregano and cumin. Or you could use one of those kind of packets of, you know, the fajita or the taco mix, which is pretty much what that is really. Let's get started. Okay, so I've got a large pot or like a wok kind of thing. You're gonna need something like that. 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using a sunflower oil. We're on a medium heat. We're gonna drop in our potatoes first and we're gonna throw them around in the pan for about 4 to 5 minutes. Medium heat only, not too high. Okay, like I say, you don't want the heat up too high because it's going to burn. We don't really want that. We're now going to drop in 1 cup of onion, the garlic. Stay on this heat. It's going to get some nice big pinch of black pepper. You can adjust that if you want. And some salt. About another 3 minutes. Fabulous. Okay, now time for the sausage. Now, like I say, I'm using this turkey sausage, which is cooked. So if you're using a kind of regular British sausage, you're gonna have to cook them for quite a bit longer in there. You know, like a Cumberland or something like that, something that's raw. But these ones are cooked already. So I'm just gonna go for another 3 or 4 minutes maybe. Stirring pretty much all the time. Fabulous. I'm now going to go in with those bell peppers. I mean, these are optional to be honest. 2 minutes, I'll be back then. All right, just a couple of minutes there with those peppers. Now I'm going to go with the mushrooms. And I've cut my mushrooms really small. And if you wanted, you can just slice them in there. Now look, I haven't got any bacon in here, but if you had some bacon, you could fry that in there as well with the onions and potatoes. Make a real sort of full-on breakfast. 3 minutes, keep it moving. Super fab, this really is my new favourite breakfast. Right, 1 can of tomatoes, this is a whole plum tomato. What I'm going to do is just roughly break that with my spoon. Then we're going to add our spices, teaspoon each. Paprika, chili, oregano, cumin, all it goes in. We're going to go for 4 more minutes. Keep it moving. Wonderful. And then we're going to add the can of beans in there. We're going to lower the heat down to just above a simmer. About another 4 minutes or so. That is beautiful. Really, really beautiful. Look at that. Perfect. Off goes the heat. I am absolutely loving that. Let's serve this. All right, there you go, absolutely wonderful. Serve that with some fried eggs on the top, bit of toast. The whole family can tuck into that. It's a beauty. Hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Well done for making it to the end of the video. I really appreciate it. I appreciate all of you that follow the channel on a regular basis. You know who you are. There's loads of you. I'm cooking away like non-stop. As you can see, I've got some lovely food right in front of me here. We're just about to start our cookbook. We're doing our cookbook at the moment, which is going to take a long time to come out. I know a lot of you have been asking for it, but yeah, it's going to take a while, lots to do. But yeah, cooking away. Chef June is working really hard on the channel as well, doing his Filipino food in Tagalog. Rahel's got her own channel now doing the Ethiopian food, which is marvelous. It is in Amharic, the national language of Ethiopia, but check it out because she really, really is fantastic. I'm doing good. I hope you're doing great. Give us a thumbs up. Leave us a comment. I do actually try and get back to everyone who leaves a comment for me. Subscribe to the channel, all that good stuff. There's social media knocking about, you know, Instagram and Facebook and all that stuff if you want to check it out. But that's it. Keep safe, keep well. Lots of love.